This car is like this. And we're going to make it like this.
Man, this Ferrari has been sitting here for decades, completely forgotten. Look at that rust. It's eaten straight through the body.
This door is completely stuck. Gotta force it open carefully.
Yeah, interior's totally wrecked. Nothing survived inside. Engine bay's a mess, but maybe we can still save it.
Let's secure it and gotta lift it without snapping anything.
Easy, easy. She's finally coming back up.
Line it up, nice and steady, perfect. Careful, this isn't just any car. It's a rust-covered Ferrari 250. Let's bring it up slowly, easy. Lock it down tight. Don't want it moving at all. Here she is, Ferrari 250 GT Lusso, still in that muddy, rusted state. And let's inspect everything.
Panels are all over the place. Rust damage is worse than I thought.
VIN's still there. That's good. Means this car still has identity.
Frame's slightly twisted, but it's still repairable.
Oh, leaks everywhere, engine, diff, everything needs rebuilding.
This interior was basically a nest. Look at those holes.
Compression's low, cylinders are scratched up, full rebuild for sure.
Some areas are gone. We'll need to replace those, Bill Camel.
Park everything. Oh, this is going to be a full restoration job. Step by step, we're bringing this Ferrari 250 GT Lusso back, better than new. Let's start stripping it down. Hood comes off first. Careful with these. Original parts are rare.
सांग से भारी कार का हेवी डोर, फ्रेम को बेंड नहीं होने देना.
Seats are completely gone. That will rebuild everything inside. Seats are completely gone. That will rebuild everything inside. Dashboard's fragile. Gotta take it slow.
Label everything, it saves a lot of trouble later.
Old fuel smells terrible. Tank needs full restoration.
Exhaust is done. We'll build a new system.
These bolts are completely seized and gotta cut them out. Suspension's completely worn out. Ooh, every part needs replacing. Everything's seized, but it's coming apart.
Steering's completely loose. This explains a lot. Easy, don't hit the frame, almost out. Clutch is completely worn, no surprise here.
Keep it organized, makes reassembly much easier.
Let's clean this Ferrari 250 GT Lusso. All that mud and rust has to go.
Now we're down to bare metal, looking much better already.
This blasting removes everything. Rust, paint, all gone.
These damaged sections will cut them out completely.
Fresh metal going in, bringing the structure back. Welds are smooth now, surface is coming out perfectly flat. Primer coat going on. This protects the metal and preps for paint. Sealing everything tight, no gaps, no weak spots. Sanding it down, getting that perfect body line. Everything's ready. Now comes the best part. First coat of Rosso, you can already see it coming alive. Building that deep Ferrari red. This is what it deserves.
Clear coat going on. Clear coat going on. This is where the shine comes in.
Let it cure, locking in that perfect finish.
Now we polish, bringing out that deep shin. Time to pull the engine, gotta balance it right. Engine goes back in, this is where it all comes together. Interior is brand new, feels like a different car. Everything's back together and it looks incredible. Let's see, come on, yes. It's alive!
This feels amazing, smooth, powerful, just like a Ferrari should.
From rust to perfection, Ferrari 250 GT Lusso is back.